Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the deer pet in Grow a Garden 2. Like as you may know, pets in Grow a Garden 2 have unique abilities that can help you progress faster in the game, and one of those pets is deer. This one, this deer is so cute, and this pet has ability to give a boost that makes your plants grow 10% faster. It will helping you harvest crops more quickly and earn more rewards over time. And to get this deer pet, you need to watch for random pets that spawns around the map. Just walking around to the map and then just walk until you find the bear pet. And then when you find it, just make sure to buy it before it disappears. And if I remember correctly, the deer costs around 50,000 cyclists. So be sure to save up enough cyclists in advance. And okay, that's how you can get the deer pet in Grow a Garden 2. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!